Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to view block list on Instagram, so watch this video till the end. While using Instagram, we can block accounts from seeing your profile, stories and posts. Like other social networking platforms, there are many reasons to block someone, but they are all put on a list and forgotten while you have to unblock someone later. You can view your blocked Instagram profile, so without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts. Here you can view blocked list on Instagram. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to view block list on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.